Hi folks, I welcome you back to another episode of Crash Technical Drawing for SS1, 2, and 3. And in this episode, we are going to be drawing an internal and external arc of given radius to touch two given circles. So let's draw the given circles of radius A1 and B1. So as let's draw the given circles of radius. Let's say the radius of the first circle should be say something like 3 centimeters. So this radius of the first circle, it has a radius of 3 centimeters. First circle has a radius of 3 centimeters. Then let's draw the radius of the second circle, having 1.5 centimeters. So we'll have 1.5 centimeters radius of the second circle. Now the next step to do is we join the centers of the circles. Join the centers of the circles. So that's the first step. Let's join the centers of the circles. Now let the internal arc radius be r and the external arc radius be big R. So now let's assume the internal arc radius is, let's say it has a radius of 5 centimeters, and then the external radius has a radius of let's say 10. Okay, let's say 10. Yes, 10 is okay. 10 is still a good figure. Now the next step is to draw the internal arc with center A. This is center A, and this is center B, right? So with center A and a radius of the first circle plus the radius of the internal arc. That means the radius of the first circle, which is 3, plus the radius of the internal arc, which is 5. So that will be 8. With the radius of 8, we'll make it of 8. So that's having a span of 8. That's be from 1 to 9. So I'll draw an arc below. Draw an arc here. So I've drawn the arc. So and then with center B and radius of the radius of the second circle plus the radius of the internal circle. So that's radius of the second circle plus the radius of the internal circle, which is 5. So that will be 1.5 plus 5, that's 6.5. So we open to radius of 6.5. So you cut the original arc. So when it cuts, that will be the radius of, that will be the center of the internal arc. Let's draw the internal arc. So with center C, this center C will be the center of the internal arc. Let's call it C. With center C of the internal arc. So you join a line from the center C to the centers of this circle. So from C to the center A and C to the center B. There we have it. So the next step is basically you need to have this intersection D and intersection E. Now with D and E, open your compass to CD. So and you draw an arc. So your arc should pass through E. So basically, so for this internal arc, open your compass through D. Then you have it here. So we also have E. So this will be the internal arc. Then for the external arc, we center A and radius R1 minus A1. That means the center A and radius of the difference between the external arc and the first circle. So the external arc has a radius of 10 and the first circle has a radius of that was 3. So that you will make it a radius of 7 because it's 10 minus 3. So you draw an arc. Minus 3. So you draw an arc of 7 centimeters. So for the second one too, with a radius of the 10 minus 1.5 here, because the radius is 1.5. So draw an arc 1.5. That's 1.5 centimeters. So you intersect the so okay, that's 10 minus 1.5. That would be 8.5. So open our compass to 8.5. So that would be, yeah. So we cut it here. So this will be the center of the external arc. So all you need to do is you join a line through this external arc to the centers. Draw a line through the first internal arc and the second external arc. So and then that means your external arc will pass through these 2 points. So let's have them here. So as you can see, it's actually passing through the 2 points. This is external arc. So actually for the internal arc, it appears that I've made a mistake in the internal arc. So let's do it again. So we have an internal arc of just 5 centimeters. So basically we'll add 5 to the radius of this circle, which is 3. Right, that will be 8. So open our compass to 8 centimeters and cut the radius here. Then we also have the radius of 5 plus 1.5. That's 6.5. Open the compass to 6.5. So we use it to cut the initial one. So you can see that this is supposed to be the correct point. So join the intersection to the center of the circles. So have it them here. Then they will touch the circles at these points D and points E. So all you need to do is you join them together. So join the point D to point E. So here we go. So this is our internal and external arc. And if you want it to be a closed figure, this is often used in this is often very applied in technical drawing to draw curves. So you can also apply this and draw a curve. So you can see that this is actually a curve. This is a closed curve. So for the other one, so in case you are asked to draw anything using radius, so in a subsequent course I'll be talking about that, but in the basics for this course, which is about the basics of technical drawing, we'll not be covering that here. So but this is just in case you have to draw arcs. So you can see you can form a closed figure using these internal arcs and external arcs. So thanks for watching.